What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys may know, the version 1.10.1.2 has released, and which contains the class 365, being the replacement of the 465. We're going to be having a look at the new update, and I have done this before. I've looked at this before, so at everything. In this update before already, so I know what we're looking at. So this is the class 365. This is a pretty cool interior. Got a little toilet there. And there's one more feature, as you have to pay attention to one specific thing. So coming into the station, I've chosen random stations, thinking about which ones actually are the closest ones to get to. Pay attention to how the door opens. So smooth. I'm honestly just so glad that the update on the doors have actually taken action ever since Tech resigned from Stepford Railway. And then pay attention to it again. So much quicker to do the doors now. And that is the 365. I'm going to show you guys one other one, which is actually also has the same door effect. So if I switch to Waterline on the 1651 and I choose Newry's Westerfield and go into Newry, then this train looks kind of similar, has the exact same door style. So we're going to be having a look here. We're coming into the terminus one because this train terminates here. And then we're going to have a look at the door animation on this train as well. If you looked at the Discord server for Stepford Railway, then you will know that and then pay attention to the door. Sweet. That's pretty much the door animations with the update, and there's also been scenery bug fixes and scenery fixes. And that is pretty much the whole update. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing, as it really helps the channel out. Comment below feedback, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.